In this video, we will solve a real-world problem using sine or cosine. And you could say we're going to do a word problem. For number 12, a small boat is moving up and down in the water as waves move past it. Its upward and downward motion is modeled by this equation. When t equals 0, the boat is at its highest point. T represents time in seconds. How long will it take for the boat to be at its highest point again? Well, this is fairly simple. All right. If this is a rough sketch of the height of the boat, and we're starting here at 0, then we're told that the boat starts off at its highest point. Okay, so that's going to be the highest point of the boat. And then it's going to go down and back up again. All right, it's cosine. So that makes sense that it would be cosine because cosine would start off at the amplitude, not on the midline. So this makes sense. But so all you really have to know is right here at time 0, it's at its highest point, and then it's going to go down and back up again, and eventually it's going to reach its highest point again. But where is that going to happen time-wise? Well, it's going to happen at the period, whatever the period is. Like for a standard cosine function without all the trimmings, it would be 2 pi. But this has a b value affecting the period. So all we really have to do is figure out what the period is, and that'll be how long it takes to get back to its highest point again. Well, we have a simple formula for that. The period is 2 pi. Whoa, I messed that up. I said the period is 2 pi divided by the b value. In this case, the b value is pi over 3. All right, so the period is going to be 2 pi divided by pi over 3. Okay, well that means the period is 2 pi, okay, let me just do it again. So 2 pi divided by pi over 3, you multiply by the reciprocal. So we could say that's 2 pi times 3 over pi, all right, multiplying by the reciprocal. Well, that's going to give you 6 pi over pi, right? Because I'm looking at this as 2 pi over 1, and I'm multiplying straight across. Notice these pi's will cancel out, so that tells me that the period is 6. All right, so this period is going to be 6, and we're talking about seconds, so that means it's going to take 6 seconds for the boat to get back up to its highest point again. All right. So that's it.